that if all sides of one triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, then the angles of the triangles are also equal. On the other hand, we also know that just because all angles of a triangle are equal to the angles of another triangle, their sides may not be equal. This raises the question, is there a relation between the sides of triangles with the same angles? To check this, cut out two cardboard triangles with the same angles but of different sizes as below. To compare the lengths of sides, place a smaller triangle inside the larger, with the left corners together. Since the angles are equal, the sides will also be aligned. Now the right sides of both triangles are at the same inclination to the bottom line, and so they are parallel. Hence the right side of the small triangle divides the left and bottom sides of the large triangle in the same ratio. Let's denote the lengths of the sides of the triangle by letters. And when we place one over the other as before, we can mark the distances like this. Then the equality of ratios mentioned earlier can be written like this: A by P divided by P is equal to B by Q divided by Q. This can be simplified as A by P minus P by P is equal to A by Q minus Q by Q, which implies A by P minus 1 is equal to B by Q minus 1, from which we get A by P is equal to B by Q. What if we place the triangles with the right corners together instead of the left? Then as before, we get A by P divided by P is equal to C by R divided by R. This can be simplified as A by P minus P by P is equal to C by R minus R by R, which implies A by P minus 1 is equal to C by R minus 1. And from this we get A by P is equal to C by R. Let's write together the two equations we got from the two different cases. A by P is equal to B by Q is equal to C by R. What does this mean? The angles of both triangles are 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. In this, A and P are lengths of the sides opposite to 80 degree angle. B and Q are the lengths of the sides opposite to the 60 degree angle. C and R are the length of the sides opposite to the 40 degree angle. A by P is the number which shows what multiple of the length P is the length A. B by Q is the number which shows what multiple of the length Q is the length B. C by R is the number which shows what multiple of the length R is the length C. That is, if we pair the lengths of sides opposite equal angles as AP, BQ, CR, then the longer lengths ABC are the same multiple of the shorter sides PQR. In other words, the numbers A, B, C are got by multiplying the numbers P, Q, R by the same number K. That is, A is equal to K into P, B is equal to K into Q and C is equal to K into R. This reasoning holds good whatever be the angles of the triangles. Instead of just 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree as we have chose here. Thus, we have the following general principle. In two triangles with the same angles, if we pair the sides opposite equal angles, then the longer sides are the same multiples of the shorter. We can shorten this as below. The sides of triangles with the same angles taken in the order of size are in the same ratio. That is, in triangles with the same angles, sides opposite equal angles are scaled by the same factor.